Hello guys, welcome back to Mtix360. This is Mtix360 Mtip number 5. So in this tip, we are going to learn how to manage your clients. Okay, how to import or how to add and how to group them, how to filter them and how to export your clients. So those options we are going to learn today. Okay, let me log in using the admin role. I have clicked on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard. As you all know, is a dashboard. For please watch your previous tips for better understanding of the application. Okay, now I go to the master menu here. We have a couple of menus here called task status, client group. Okay, now we'll be focusing on clients and client group. Okay, now point one, how to add or import clients into the application. We have to click in the masters, we have to click on clients. We will see all the clients by predefined. If we have added, we'll see all the clients list here. Okay, there are two ways to add clients. Okay, one is you can import or you can add individually. For adding individually, click on add new clients, and then you can add all these details here. Okay, now this client type, you can select to what client type does it belong to. Is a LLP firm or a private limited firm or a public limited firm or individual or proprietorship firm. So you can select, and if he has any GST, address, and then client email, phone number, and was WhatsApp number. You can add all these details. Okay. Now you can even group this. Okay, client. For example, we have a client called XYZ client. Uh, Say for example TCS. TCS is your client, and for them monthly you are doing only GST returns. Okay, you are only doing GST returns, you are not doing any kind of service, only GST service you are giving. So what you will do, you will group them into GST service. You'll just check that GST service. So this client has been added to the group GST. So every month when you're doing a GST filing, you export the client who are in GST group, you get the added clients. So in that way, you never miss any client who are under GST group. For example, in the mid of the month, some new client comes to you, you register him. Okay, if you add him to this group, so the next month when you are creating GST task, at that time his name will come in, so you'll not miss him. Okay, so that is the use of this grouping it is here. Or if you are doing ROC, which is a yearly filing, yearly process we will do. So if you are doing to them this all service, also giving this service to, then just click on checkbox. So this particular user, you are giving two services. Now we have seen how to add clients, how to what kind of type of client he is, and then what services you are giving. Now here just only two services are listed. Now suppose for example you are giving multiple services. How we can do? There is an option called client group here. Okay, you can go and add your new client groups. For example, if you are doing IT returns, you just add IT return, submit. Okay, if you are doing any other service you are giving, you can just add here and then publish and then make it submit. So when you go back to the clients, when you add any client here, we will see that new option, IT returns also. So for example, if you're registering any new client, then you can just select ROC, GST, and IT return. So this is how you add a client and then group them in detail. Now, what is the use of grouping? I'll just show you back. Okay. Now, how do we import the clients? Okay. Now there is an option called import clients. Just click on that. Download the sample CSV for better understanding how the file should be. Okay. Click on the file. We'll open it. Okay. You can see by default we have added some dummy data here. We can edit this data. Now to understand what is this client type ID, you will find it here. Okay, client type and its client type ID here. You'll find, and then you can add it here. After adding, you can just upload it and submit. So all your client list will be able to see in the masters here. So that is how you're going to create your client, import and create your clients, and then you can filter out on based on the grouping also. So you'll see all the details. For example, if it is IT return, you'll search here, GST, you'll search here. That is all. Okay. Thank you guys. Keep watching Mtix360 Mtips. Thank you.